Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awan ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Athanasius, Bishop and Doctor of the Church. He is known as the person who really fought for our faith, the doctrine of our faith, on the Trinity during the Council of Nicaea. My dear brothers and sisters, we all want to see God. And seeing God is only possible when we have faith in Him. We shared this longing, this desire with Philip in our gospel reading today, when he asked Jesus to show us the Father. But Jesus responded to him, saying, "Do you not believe that I am in the Father, and the Father is in me?" Jesus is emphasizing here once again that He is not the Father, but the Father and Jesus are one. They are consubstantial. And so here, Jesus is highlighting as well His divinity. But Jesus would like to re-emphasize the need for faith so that we can see God in Jesus Christ. Kaya po sana, posible lamang na makita natin ang Diyos kung mayroon tayong pananampalataya. At sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, tinuturuan tayo ng Diyos ng dalawang pamamaraan kung paano natin makikita ang Diyos sa pamamagitan ng pananampalataya. Ang manampalataya tayo sa Kanyang salita at sa Kanyang mga gawa. My dear brothers and sisters, when we listen to the Word of God, though we cannot tangibly see Him, we actually see the Lord. When we looked at the beautiful works around us, the works of God, then we come to believe that these beautiful creatures, these beautiful creations are only possible because God made them possible or created them. Kaya po sana, kung nais natin makita ang Diyos, makinig tayo at pagmasdan lang natin ang mga likha ng Diyos. At sa Kanyang mga likha, makikita natin ang Diyos. At dito, binibigyan tayo ng challenge as well na pahalagahan ang mga nilikha ng Diyos sapagkat nakikita natin ang Diyos sa Kanyang mga nilikha, kaya nararapat lamang na pahalagahan natin ang lahat ng mga linikha ng Diyos. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.